Hi, my name is Rob Grimes. I'm from Tested by Fire Pottery in San Antonio, Texas. I've put together a series of videos about how to make a bowl from start to finish. The first step in this process is called throwing on the wheel. That's what I'm beginning to do right now. And the first step in the process of throwing a piece on the wheel is to center the clay. And that's what I just did. Next, I can open up the clay. And I do that by forcing the heel of my hand down into the center of the clay to about 3/4 of an inch from the wheel head. And once I get down that far, then I swing the heel of my hand over and form the base of the piece. After doing that, I take and pull the clay through my fingers and raise the wall. And now the shaping can begin. To do that, I take a rubber rib and I compress the bottom of the piece by running the rubber rib back and forth across the bottom and holding it down really, really hard. And then I shape the walls. I do that by forcing the clay with the rib against the fingers of my hand on the outside. Clean up any spots on the inside that are uneven or that I want to change some. Do one last run across the bottom and make sure it's compressed well. And then I take a wooden rib with a notch in it and compress the rim a little bit more and put a little groove in the top and open it up some. A little groove on the outside edge too. This completes the forming process. Next, I take a metal rib and undercut underneath the piece. And then I cut it off with a steel wire. Now through this piece on a masonite bat so that I can take it off. Without deforming this piece any. I take the metal rib and I force it between the bat and the wheel head and lift it off and set it on the shelf, and I'm ready to go again. Thanks for watching. Look for my other videos.